Anna, living in the bustling city, her life was fast-paced and far from the quiet countryside where her ancestors once lived. But when her great-aunt Margaret passed away, Anna received an unexpected gift, a large, old country house. The house stood alone on a hill, surrounded by fields and forests, a place where time seemed to stand still. As Anna drove up the winding road, she felt a strange sense of belonging. The air was fresh, carrying the scent of pine and wildflowers. The house seemed to be waiting for her with open arms. The exterior was weathered, with ivy climbing the stone walls. The windows were large, offering views of the rolling hills beyond. Despite its age, the house had a charm that captured Anna's heart. She felt a mix of excitement and anxiety, wondering what lay inside. Anna decided to restore the old house. It was a daunting task, but she was determined. She rolled up her sleeves and began to clean. The rooms were filled with dust and cobwebs, but she saw potential in every corner. While exploring the attic, Anna stumbled upon a hidden compartment. Inside, she found dusty boxes filled with letters and objects from the past. The attic was dimly lit, with beams of sunlight filtering through the small window. It felt like stepping into another world. The letters were written by her ancestors, people she knew only from old family stories. They spoke of love, hardship, and dreams. As she read, Anna felt a connection to them. Their words were like whispers from the past, sharing secrets and memories. One letter caught Anna's attention. It was from a young woman named Eleanor, who had lived during a difficult period. Eleanor wrote about her struggles during the war and her deep love for a man named Thomas. Despite the hardships, their love endured, giving them strength. Anna was moved by Eleanor's courage and passion. She imagined Eleanor sitting by a candle, writing with hope and longing. Her words painted vivid pictures of a time long gone. Anna realized that her family had faced many challenges, yet they persevered. Their stories inspired her to reflect on her own life and the challenges she faced. As Anna continued to read, she discovered more about her family. There were tales of adventures, losses, and triumphs. She learned about a grandfather who was a skilled carpenter, and a grandmother who was a talented artist. Each story painted a picture of a rich heritage that Anna had never fully appreciated. Through these discoveries, Anna began to understand her own struggles. She saw that her family had always been resilient, finding strength in their heritage and each other. This realization gave her a new perspective on her life. Anna felt a warm glow of pride and gratitude. She realized that she was part of something bigger, a tapestry woven with love and determination. Her heart swelled with a newfound appreciation for her roots. In the midst of her journey, Anna met James, a local historian who was intrigued by her family's history. They spent hours discussing the letters and exploring the old house together. James was kind and attentive, with a gentle smile that made Anna feel at ease. Together, they uncovered more of the past, piecing together the stories of love and perseverance. The house seemed to come alive with their laughter and shared discoveries. Their shared passion for history and discovery brought them closer, and a deep friendship blossomed into love. Anna found comfort in James's presence. His support and understanding made her feel cherished. She realized that, like her ancestors, she had found love in an unexpected place. With James by her side, Anna completed the restoration of the house. It became a symbol of her journey, a journey of understanding her roots and embracing the present. She decided to open part of the house as a small museum, dedicated to her family's history. The rooms were filled with the stories and artifacts she had uncovered. Visitors came to learn about the past, and Anna shared the tales that had touched her heart. She felt a sense of fulfillment, knowing that she was preserving her family's legacy. Anna realized the importance of knowing where she came from. Her ancestors' stories gave her a sense of belonging and strength, helping her to appreciate her own life and the people in it. As the sun set over the countryside, Anna stood with James, looking at the house that had become her home. The sky was painted with hues of orange and pink, casting a warm glow over the land. She felt grateful for the unexpected gift that had led her on this journey of discovery. Anna understood that knowing her roots had helped her find her place in the world. It taught her the value of family, love, and resilience. She was ready to embrace her future, carrying with her the lessons of the past. Her heart was full, and she knew that she was not alone. The love and wisdom of her ancestors were with her, guiding her every step of the way. Anna's journey teaches us that understanding our roots helps us find our place in the world. The stories of our ancestors can inspire us, giving us strength and perspective. By valuing our family ties and history, we can better understand ourselves and the world around us. If you enjoyed the story, please like and subscribe.